Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Township application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Township and search. Look for this Township application from Playrix, and then tap on the download or the install button to begin the download process. If prompted, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to authenticate your download and wait for a couple of minutes. After you've completed the download process, tap on Open, and that's how you easily download and install Township application on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.